Now press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss an update from Viral DNA.
It is said that for a YouTuber, three things are the most important. Number one is the content. Number two is the audio quality. And number three is the video. Now, for me, video is the most important priority and you also need this device for that. So without any further ado, let's get started. So friends, what is inside this box is a Smooth Q 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. So this device is very much important for your video quality and for cinematic shots that you should take in every video. Talking about the packaging of this device by Zhiyun, you can see some of its features like direct mobile charging, so you can make use of this device as a power bank, instant zooming control, 12 hours of continuous work time and two-way mounting frame for easy switch. Talking about the contents inside the box, you get 4 things out of the box. These include Zhiyun Smooth Q device itself. Number 2 is the charging cable. Number 3 is the nice quality strap to carry the device. And number 4 is the manual. Now for the price bracket of Rs 10,000, this device comes with a very premium looking case with a Zhiyun logo on it. You can attach the strap with this case to carry this device. The device looks very premium in hand with a very good build quality. Now, for the setup and review of this device, I will make another video, so don't forget to click on the subscribe button.